Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down NAD+, one of the most important molecules in your entire body. And it's getting a ton of attention in the world of health and longevity for good reason. If your cells were cars, think of NAD+ as the master mechanic and fuel specialist all in one. It keeps the engine running, repairs the parts, and even helps your internal clock stay perfectly on time. So what exactly is NAD+? Simply put, it's a molecule found in every single one of your cells. Your body absolutely needs it to make energy, repair your DNA, control metabolism, basically to keep you functioning properly. But here's the critical part. As you age, your NAD+ levels drop significantly. And that decline is one of the key reasons why your energy, recovery, and overall cell health start to go downhill. So how does this supermolecule actually work? Let's start with its most fundamental role, creating energy. Inside your cells, NAD+ acts like a tiny rechargeable battery. It switches back and forth with the molecule called NADH, and this shuttling action is what moves electrons through the core energy-making processes, glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and deep within your mitochondria in the electron transport chain. This entire assembly line is what produces ATP, your cell's main fuel. The concept is incredibly straightforward. No NAD+ means no energy. With plenty of NAD+, your mitochondria can power your entire body. Next up, NAD+ activates what are often called your longevity enzymes. Your body has a special family of these enzymes called sirtuins. Their job is to protect DNA, calm inflammation, sharpen your metabolism, and generally support healthy aging from the inside out. But sirtuins are dormant without a key to turn them on. NAD+ is that key. When your NAD+ levels are high, your sirtuins become active, helping your cells stay resilient, youthful, and stable. In essence, NAD+ flips the switch on the very enzymes that slow cellular aging. Third, NAD+ is vital for repairing DNA damage. Your DNA takes a beating every single day from stress, environmental toxins, sunlight, and just the process of living. Your body has a dedicated response team for this, enzymes called PARPs. These are your DNA repair workers. And what fuels their work? You guessed it, NAD+. PARPs use NAD+ to detect broken DNA strands, send out the repair signals, and patch up the damaged areas. It's the resource your cells need to keep your genetic blueprint strong and stable. And finally, number 4, NAD+ helps control your internal clock. Your body runs on a biological clock, a circadian rhythm that governs your sleep, energy levels, digestion, hormones, everything. NAD+ helps regulate this master clock by working with key systems like clock, BMAL1, and those sirtuins we just mentioned. This keeps your body's metabolism and repair cycles running smoothly and on schedule. It literally helps your cells know what time it is, so your whole system stays in perfect rhythm. Given these crucial functions, people who focus on boosting NAD+ often report a wide array of benefits: increased energy, better mitochondrial health, improved metabolism, and powerful support for healthy aging and faster recovery. Now, what about side effects? Most reported effects are mild, things like nausea, a headache, or some temporary fatigue. It's interesting because NAD+ directly affects metabolism. Some people feel energized, while others might feel tired at first. The results really do vary. And of course, this is for educational purposes. Always consult with a healthcare professional. So, to put it all together, NAD+ is one of the most fundamental molecules for life. It powers your energy, it helps protect your DNA, it activates longevity enzymes, and it keeps your body's internal clock running correctly. It's a cornerstone of cellular health. If you want more peptides and longevity tools explained in simple, clear language, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what topic you want us to break down next.